Hello and welcome to another video on our YouTube channel. Are you tired of achieving modest success? You now have the chance to be successful in the cryptocurrency sector as we introduce the most advanced and longest running Binance Smart Chain miner, known as BNB.Miner.Finance. So do watch the video until the end, and if you want to learn and earn through BNB.Miner.Finance, you can too. Every trader wants to profit, and BNB.Miner.Finance satisfies that need by allowing users to earn up to 3% daily ROI. The community controls this miner. In this instance, the investor is the boss. The difference is that BNB Miner also makes the use of a mechanism to stop people from immediately dumping the coins in the neighborhood. Furthermore, you can stabilize and increase your TVL by using BNB Miner's compound feature over time. TVL measures the total value of all assets locked into DeFi protocols. What are you waiting for? All you need to do is register as a miner to start earning money using BNB Miner. Now let's find out how BNB Miner works. To be clear, this method is not the same as the traditional method of mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other such digital assets, which calls for a specific technology. The first step in joining BNB Miner is to buy BNB using one of the miner's supported cryptocurrency wallets, such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Binance Chain Wallet. The mining process will start after you decide how much Binance coin to invest by pressing the Hire Miners button. Additionally, your Bitcoin wallet will ask you to confirm the payment when you click the button. Simply accept it to complete the process, and the miners will start mining for the next 24 hours. It's crucial to empty your barrel at least once a day, since after that time, you won't be able to gather any more money. You can also track the progress of your miners and the quantity of BNB extracted. Your investment will usually repay 3% of what you put in. At this point, you want to know how to withdraw your BNB. As investors are always free to pocket or compound their BNB in their barrels, you will have two alternatives for getting your BNB: pocket your BNB or compound. So how do you decide between one or the other? Well, if you choose the compound option, you must restart the earning process. Your account's TVL value will increase when more miners are hired, increasing the amount of BNB that can be mined and earned. The BNB miner will use all of the BNB that is extracted to reinvest in new mining equipment. However, if you choose to pocket your BNB, the value of your barrel's worth of mined BNB will be sent to your online wallet. And that concludes today's video. I hope everything was easy to understand, but if not, let us know below. And if you still have any questions or comments related to anything we talked about, just ask. If you have found content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.